So guys, this is Hunter 101. Let's play some Minecraft. Today we'll be doing, I don't know what. I have a weird costume. Just couldn't stand Steve. Oh shoot. What the? Oh no. Something. Glitch. Okay. Like today we'll be doing, I don't know what happened to my map, so something happened to my maps. Let's play Dawn. Oh wait, Dawn. So Minecraft. So let me get back to normal view. I'm in creative. Talk. Let me go to survival. Wait. Survival. Come on. See? Oh my. All of my world's gone. So, let's try and build some. No, I knew I forgot something. Sticks. Forgot sticks. Okay. Let's go back just for a few minutes. Go here. Stick. Okay, you know what? Forget it. Just do some sticks. A whole bunch of sticks. I will be doing more videos. For YouTube. Right now, I'm usually doing a lot now. I don't know why. It's just kind of fun. Can you let me? Thank you. Okay. We'll be doing, I don't know, diamond, gold, iron. Is that all we could make it out of? I think it is. So, some right there, some like that, some like that. And let's do this, the pants and the hat. Let's try it on. Whoa. Looks good. Two of these. Okay. Two of these, and two of these. Okay. Put this back. And our weapons go over. What does that say? Both of these. What? Both of these weapons and armory. So I can put them. Oh yeah. So let me put these right here. Okay. Right now, let's go hunting for some stuff. Arrows here? Yes. Okay, let's do this. Stay, so there won't be much. Oh shoot, let's go for the spider, shall we? Hit the spider. We're gonna die. Oh, I'm a master of aiming, so if you ever go versus me in the Hunger Games and I have arrows, don't come near me. Actually, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't come any near anybody that has arrows, so why come near me? I'm a master of this. Wow. Silent headshot. Dang it. don't see any monsters. Let me get like a part. Nope. Still can't find any. Oh, dang it. Let's see if there's something at least over there in the cave. No. Still can't find anything. Let's go. Wait. Let's go over here. Monsters, come out wherever you are. There should be creepers and stuff. Or these monsters and these skeletons, zombies and all. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. There's a thing from the main target. Nothing. No, I guess not. Shh. Okay, let's go. Oh wait. Nothing in here. Let's go over here. Shh. Oh, I forget you. I ain't going here. Yeah, forget you. I ain't getting lost. Wait, talking about lost. Where's my home? No, I'm lost. Wait, I think I know a way. I think. Please, give me faith. Let me have a chance. Give me one more chance and I'll give it to you in an instant. Okay, I think we are lost. Only this. Oh. Wait. No, we're not lost. Yeah. What's up? What's up? Okay. Approximately, according to my analysis, we should be right over there. Or for, Cave. Okay, we're good. Wait, this was where we were, right? Yes, it was. Then we could have came from. We found it! Oh my gosh, yes. We found our home. That was a short one. But still good. Okay. Ending this episode, if y'all don't know what happens if y'all eat a golden apple, I'll show you what. A golden enchanted apple. I'll show you what happens. Just about now because I'm hungry. Sorry. No. Wait, here. What's that? Here. Okay, here it goes. Be prepared for the people that don't know this. 3, 2, 1. Gives you more life, regeneration, which I already fire resistance, generation, absorb. Let me just use a carrot of pie, pumpkin pie, because I am still hungry. What about no something that doesn't give me a lot? Oh, carrot. I need a lot for me. Didn't give absorb. What the heck does that mean? Absorption. Whatever. So curious. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, and if you can't tell, I got traps. So if you're watching my video, don't come here. You will die. And if you're in creative, I still got some traps, boy. So, as I said, don't come. You will die. Especially in creative. If you're in creative, that's a different story. But still, I will kick you out. Just like, boom. My absorption is about to go off. Fire resistance is 3 and 14, and resistance is 3 and 12. I'm just trying to go to... Ooh, I know what... Oh, okay. I'm not going to tell you the things I could do if you come here, because then you'll probably do it. I will go ahead and end the video here. I'll do another video, and goodbye!